Hey everybody, it's TR. I'm back with another RV how-to video, and today I've got another leak. Yeah, this leak is almost certainly because I was in working on another leak. You'll see that RV how-to video on my channel. But I was in here and I had to take this panel apart because I was searching for a leak. And when I put everything back together, I didn't realize it. But apparently this old outdoor shower is leaking. It looks like it's been leaking for at least 24 hours because I put it back together, closed it up, because I needed to let this other fix cure the stuff that I used to fix this crack. I had to let it cure. So I'm going to do this video on how to replace your outdoor shower. So in reality, this project should be pretty straightforward, but I've said that before, and then it could take 2 or 3 hours. So we're going to see how well this works out. The parts you're going to need is, I bought 2 new hookup hoses. These are Camco 1/2 inch NPT hookup hoses. They should be a perfect replacement. I got this, which is the replacement handle. And it should be plug and play. It should go right back into the position it was in. Of course, it comes with a new shower head, which is nice because I haven't had a shower head for quite a while out here. It long ago got busted. So anyway, we're going to be putting that in here, and hopefully it won't take too long. I've tried everything to get this other one to not leak. You know, I put Teflon tape on it. That didn't work. I tightened it up as tight as I could get it. That didn't work. So we're just going to replace the whole unit. Basically, all the tools you're going to need is, well, in this case, I'm just going to need a pair of pliers. And I'm going to get in here and take these loose. Normally, you don't need Teflon tape on this kind of a fitting, but like I say, I tried everything. All right, get that junk out of the way. Let's see, oh, those are zip tied. I'm going to have to go get a pair of wire cutters. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood when you're working in the mud puddle. All right. Take it off with a pair of pliers if I can get up into it. It's a tight fit, but we can get her done. Hopefully, I don't have to take this panel apart. All right, well, we need a little slack here, so what I'm going to do is drop these. Okay, hopefully that gives me enough slack in there to be able to get up in there now. With these pliers, let's see. As per usual, it's going to be easier to take things apart. So what this is, by the way, is a backflow preventer. And so there's a little valve inside of this that when there's water going through it, it opens. But when the water shuts off, it closes. And that prevents stuff from backing up into your system. All right, now we should be able to pop this out. I'm going to add a little to the mud puddle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pop this loose. This is the cold water side. And let's be the hot water side. These are cheap. Let's put this one up in there. Having some fun now. Good enough. Okie doke, we got those hoses on, and it's time to put this all back together. If you can, there we go. Newmar uses these square drive bits. They work both with square and Phillips, but I found that a lot of times the Phillips will strip out. So there's only 3 things you need to know as a plumber: hot's on the left, cold's on the right, and shit runs downhill. All right, hopefully that's never fails. Like I said when I first started this project, a 10-minute job usually turns into an hour. But I think I got that. This guy seems to be fine. I don't see any leaks there. Alrighty, I think we're getting pretty close here. We're going to go ahead and finish installing these 2 backflow preventers. Alright, so let's mount this up in this plastic cover. Get on there. And where did those nuts go? Oops, back here. All right. Okay. This one. Is that hot? It is. Alrighty, so this hose requires a couple washers provided with the kit. Let's take some of the kinks out of this. And then we got this nozzle widget here. Put the thingy in there, put the washer in there. Tighten this one down. Okay, let's go turn the water back on and see if we got any leaks. Okie doke. I think we got her. I'm going to wash this out real quick. So that'll have to do it for this RV how-to project, replacing the outside shower control. So if you found value in this video, I'd appreciate your thumbs up. Always like to see those. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Got a pretty good catalog of RV how-to videos already on my channel. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Till we get together the next time for another RV how-to video. Peace.